Welcome back, Mogverse. Today we're diving deep into one of the most compact yet incredibly capable machines ever built in the Unimog family, the Unimog U421. Even though this model traces its roots to the earlier generations, its impact, legacy, and continued presence in 2025 make it a true engineering icon. In this video, I'm going to give you a complete, detailed, 1100-word review of the Unimog U421, along with its real-world performance impressions, modern-day usability, and current 2025 price expectations. So let's get straight into it. The Unimog U421 is a small machine, but don't let its compact size fool you. From the moment you see it, you can feel that it carries the DNA of a true Unimog. Its design is classic, rugged, and utilitarian. Boxy fenders, high ground clearance, and a no-nonsense stance make it immediately recognizable. Even after decades, the U421 looks like a machine that was created for work, not show. Every angle, every bolt, and every feature on it reflects the philosophy of durability and purpose-driven engineering. The first thing you notice when you walk around it is how solid it feels. The chassis is strong enough to handle farmland, forestry, construction, and even light military duties. The front grille is compact but bold. The short wheelbase gives it a tight turning radius, making it incredibly maneuverable for narrow rural paths, mountain trails, and work sites where larger Unimogs struggle. The U421 is the kind of truck that doesn't just operate in tough conditions, it feels like it belongs there. When you start the engine, you immediately understand why these machines are still beloved in 2025. The sound is old-school mechanical, raw, confident, and honest. Depending on the version, the U421 came with several small but efficient diesel engines that were designed to run forever. Even today, many units from the 1970s and 80s start up reliably with just basic maintenance. In 2025, owners describe it as a machine that refuses to die. The power output might not seem huge by modern standards, but the way this Unimog delivers torque is impressive. These engines were built for pulling power, not speed. The low-end torque allows the U421 to climb steep hills, pull trailers, run farming implements, and crawl through mud or snow with surprising ease. It's not a truck meant to win races, it's a truck meant to conquer terrain. One of the biggest strengths of the U421 has always been its gearbox. With multiple forward and reverse gears, including crawler options on some models, it gives the driver incredible control over speed and power. Even in 2025, enthusiasts value the transmission for its toughness and versatility. You can drive it slow enough to walk alongside it, or shift into higher gears for open field transport. The flexibility is unmatched for a compact utility vehicle. And of course, no Unimog review is complete without mentioning the legendary portal axles. These axles give the U421 exceptional ground clearance without raising the center of gravity too much. This means you get the stability of a small truck with the clearance of a much larger off-road machine. Combined with differential locks and four-wheel drive, the U421 becomes a true terrain monster. Mud, rocks, deep ruts, flooded pathways, the U421 handles them calmly, almost effortlessly. In terms of driving comfort, the U421 is basic. There's no luxury, no digital screens, and no sound insulation like modern 2025 vehicles. But that simplicity is exactly what makes it special. It's a driving experience that connects you directly with the machine. The steering feels mechanical, the pedals feel firm, and every vibration and sound reminds you that you're in a real working truck. For many enthusiasts, that raw experience is priceless. In 2025, the U421 remains extremely useful for farmers, collectors, off-road adventurers, and small businesses. Its compact size makes it perfect for moving around tight spaces where bigger Unimogs like the U435 or U5000 would struggle. Its reliability means it can still be used daily for hauling, towing, plowing snow, or running auxiliary tools. With the right attachments, the U421 transforms into a mower, a mini fire truck, a forestry assistant, or even a small expedition vehicle. Its versatility is one of its greatest strengths. Now let's talk about performance in 2025 conditions. Even though the U421 is an older model, its off-road performance remains shockingly relevant. It can handle rough rural roads, steep hillsides, riverbeds, and loose terrain better than many modern 4x4 pickups. Thanks to its lightweight body and excellent traction, the U421 often outperforms vehicles that are much newer and more expensive. Drivers report that it feels confident and sure-footed, especially when low range and differential locks are engaged. On road, the top speed is limited, but stability is solid. It's not built for highways, but for the type of work where highways don't exist. Now the big question: price. In 2025, the market value of the Unimog U421 depends heavily on condition, originality, attachments, and restoration quality. A running, basic condition U421 can start around $12,000 to $18,000 USD. Well-maintained units with working PTOs, hydraulic systems, or special equipment usually fall in the $20,000 to $28,000 USD range. Fully restored, collector-grade or low-kilometer examples can go above $30,000 to $40,000 USD depending on the country. In Europe, prices can be slightly higher because of demand from farmers and off-road enthusiasts. In North America, imported units can also carry additional costs. But overall, the U421 remains one of the most affordable ways to own a true Unimog. When you look at the value for money aspect, the U421 scores surprisingly high. It offers legendary durability, unbeatable off-road capability, extreme attachment versatility, and